Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on ornament number 2 in our classic stitchy sew-along. So in the previous video, we did our kickoff for our classic stitchy ornaments. If you don't know what those are, I released patterns for 12 adorable stitchy Christmas ornaments for this year. Last year we did a whole different set. They're super cute, so I definitely recommend checking those out. This year we are doing this kind of classic quilt block looking type of ornament for our stitchy sew-along. These patterns are available in my shop. They're available in PDF and print format, so you can get either one you like. And we're working hard to ship out our patterns every single day, so hopefully you will get them as soon as possible. So yesterday we did ornament number 1. I'm just going to re-show that really quickly. So here is what ornament number 1 looked like. Super cute. I also mentioned that there are finishing instructions on how to finish these cute little pillows on my YouTube channel here, so make sure to check that out. And let's look at ornament number 2. So ornament number 2 is this cute little churn dash, and I went ahead and put a pinwheel inside of there because I just wanted to give it a little something extra. I did finish it with this cute lace trim around the outside. This is just a cotton crocheted trim, and I did get it at a local, I think I got it at Joann's. I thought it gave these cute little pillows a little bit something extra. And then on the backing, I did this cute red and white print. This is from Sweetwater Fabric for Moda. And so this churn dash, if you are unfamiliar with quilting, the churn dash is the outside red here. This is a traditional quilt block. It's very easy to put together. It's a lot of fun in quilts, and all the stitchy ornaments this year were inspired by classic quilt blocks. So let's take a look at the quilty ornament for day number 2. As you can see, we had that churn dash. Now here's where you're going to see some differences popping in. The stitchy one has the cute pinwheel in the center, and I decided that was just way too small to try and do in the middle of the quilty one. So they are just slightly different, but they still are both churn dashes and still both super cute. And then like I mentioned yesterday, I completely forgot to do the stitching, the outline border that goes around the outside of these with this kind of like a brown color. It's DMC 839. It's kind of a brownish color. It's like a really dark brown. And my idea was to outline these so that they kind of popped a little bit and stood out. I completely forgot. So, you know, do it if you want. I guess it's optional. It's in the pattern. I just completely spaced. So I think they still turned out really cute. But anyways, here is block number 2, the traditional churn dash block. So that's it for ornament number 2. I'm just going to be popping on YouTube every other day, and I'm just going to feature the ornaments so you can kind of see what we're stitching that day, and then you'll have that whole day and the next day to finish this one ornament. And they're very easy. They go very quickly. 2 days is plenty of time to finish one. And I think I said it yesterday, but I probably would stitch all the ornaments, and then when you're done with all 12, then go back and finish them all, just because the finishing is easier if you kind of just sew them all at the same time. So, but you can do whatever you want. Don't forget to share your in progress or finished ornaments on social media using hashtag Classic Stitchy Ornaments. You can also tag me at Erica Arndt on Instagram, and I will repost your finishes or works in progress so other people can see. And then don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what color scheme you have decided to do. I did the red and white on this beautiful beige by Witchelt, and I did 14 count Ada. That is also in the pattern. 14 count, in my opinion, is pretty good for beginners. It's fairly easy to see. I do still need my glasses and maybe a little good lighting, but it's really pretty easy, especially if you're a beginner, to stitch on 14 count. So hopefully you guys can all take advantage of that, especially if you are new stitchers. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying our stitch along, and I will see you in the next video, and we will take a look at ornament number 3. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on ornament number 2 of our classic stitchy quilt along. Stitch along. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on block number 2, ornament number 2. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on ornament number 2 of our classic stitchy sew along. Stitch along.